What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be unboxing the Happy Feet sneaker slippers or house slippers. I got the Philadelphia Eagles colorway because I am a Philadelphia sports fan, but you can get other teams as well. Happy Feet also sells a variety of different products, including some with different sports and different professional levels such as college and pros. These are size XL, but you can get size small, medium, large, XL, and double XL. And on the website, they have men and women size ranges to determine which size category you fit into. So let's get into this unboxing. On the packaging bag here, there's just a little warning that tells you to keep it away from small children to avoid suffocation. And we also have a couple little air holes in the bag. So these are currently being held together with this little plastic cable here. So I'm just going to snap that so we can take a closer look. Just as a first glance here, you can see that these slippers definitely have a sneaker look to them. And as always, I'm going to get started with the sole. So we have a relatively flat surface. All the fabric you see on this slipper is actually polyester, including this sole right here, which is covered with little beads. This should give the slippers a non-slip / non-skid bottom. That's pretty much it for the sole. If we move up to the midsole, this right here is a 1-inch foam / rubber pad, which should hopefully allow your feet to sink into the slipper without any pressure buildup in any one place on your foot. Feeling it from the inside, it does feel very soft and squishy, so I'm looking forward to these feeling pretty comfortable. We also have the size tag on the back of the slipper, so you can see these are an XL. Moving up to the body of the shoe, everything is super squishy, as you can see, so these should be able to mold to your feet very well. In addition, everything seems to puff out, so since these kind of puff out, it's going to squish onto your foot and almost give you like a hug feeling to your foot. And just feeling from the inside, that feeling goes all the way through to the toe box, so even the top of your foot will feel hugged. Right here we also have a distributor tag with some information on the back and an NFL tag. There's also another distributor tag on the inside right there. We have three main colors here. Gray, which is toward the front of the slipper on both sides and across the toe box, and on the back near the ankle area and the entire inside. White, which complements the gray areas here, and same thing on this side. And finally midnight green, which is everywhere else. We have an official Eagles logo on the outer side of the slipper, but not the inner side. And we have Eagles lettering on the tongue. The tongue also has these stretchy bands to help open the slippers when you're putting them on. On the back, we have a pull tab that you would see on any average sneaker. And we have full functioning white flat laces. We also have white flat loops for the grommets and a hard plastic for the aglets. Overall, I think these slippers have a unique look since they resemble sneakers well. These would be very good for wearing around the house, in the office, or to make quick errands. You can also rep your favorite sports team while doing so. I am looking forward to seeing how comfortable they are, and I will be making a review video once I have worn them long enough to give a full and detailed review. The only issue I can see with them right now is making your feet too hot, but I cannot make that assumption until I try them out. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question or idea for a future video. If you would like a product unboxed and reviewed, feel free to send it to me. I have had people do this in the past, and if you would like to do that, leave a comment down below and we can talk later. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.